Hi guys, welcome back to the your own channel guys. Let's see the index analysis guys. Right now I will take you for a one day analysis guys. You can see here guys. What I have told you, this is the one of the major trend line guys. Today, yesterday only it breaks. So we go in 5 minutes chart and see it. You can see that exactly it's open a slightly gap down and taking resistance first time, second time, third time. Okay guys. We can also see next index is NASDAQ. Okay guys, in NASDAQ also you can see that it acts as major supporting area I have told you, and it is acting exactly a major supporting area. Okay guys, in Russell 3000 also you can see here. I will just shift this line so you can get it how nicely what we have discussed is that that happened. You can see that exactly here only. You can see here exactly taken support and goes upside momentum. After that also it's taking support, but yesterday only it opened a gap down and it continuously consolidate and closed in between. Okay guys, in SPX also you can see here guys. In XPX also it exactly here only. I will just see the line exactly. Just I will draw it for you, then you can see properly. Okay, you can see that exactly taken support, goes up, exactly taken support, exactly taken support. Now a big gap down happened, so it's down right now. Okay guys, we I will show you one of the nicest trades. Okay guys, now we can see the where Dow Jones worked for today. Okay guys, today is not so much volatility what I am seeing in all the major index in world market. So we can discuss frankly is that you can see here this act as a supporting area for us today. Okay guys, remember this. Okay guys, so right now it is continuously taking a resistance. Okay guys, so what we gonna do is that if it will breaks and take support or made a price action, then you can go for your first target guys. This will be the your second target guys. This will be the your third target guys in upside momentum. Okay guys, if it came once again here taking resistance, then your first target will be this second target. If bigger gap down or slightly gap down happen, then your first target will be here guys, second and third target guys. Okay guys, you can check out my telegram channel also guys. You can join there. I will post there so many ideas on trading related, so go and join there guys. We can see for NASDAQ. Okay guys, and NASDAQ also you can see that continuously consolidating and acting as a this is the big supporting area, so that's why it is continuously consolidating right now. So what we can see is that this is the one of the major resistance area guys right now. So if what happened is that if once again it came down or somewhere here only price action made, then your first target will be this guys, second target, and after that you can thoroughly go for your third target guys, then you can go for fourth, and this will be the final fifth target guys. Okay guys, you have to see here only first target only because it will act as a resistance, so in flow it will break, then only go for these three target. Okay guys, in downside also we can discuss if major gap down happen or something, then you can see that it taken resistance. Our first target will be your second target and third target guys. Okay guys, okay guys, now we can see in Russell 3000 you can see that it acting as a resistance right now. I will show you. So if this is two times almost uh, taken a resistance from here, so it is probably that if it will once again came and make a upside momentum, then it will definitely break this. Then if it will break, then our first target will be this, then after that once again act as a resistance, so it made a price action, then your second target and your third target guys. Okay guys, if probability is that if once again it take resistance, then our first target will be here guys, somewhere second target, and then third target guys, and your fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target for you in Russell 3000. We can see in SPX also. Okay guys, in XPX also it is a huge gap down we have seen. So right now you can see here this is act as a your one of the major supporting areas right now. Okay guys, this act as a major resistance area right now. Okay guys, why it will act? Because this is the buy seller zone area, so continuously selling is happening here. So once again if it will breaks, then only you can go for upside momentum, your first target, second and third target. Okay guys, you can go further for if you have confidence, but what I am thinking is that if once again came downside, so today it will be in a range only, in this range only guys. So if bigger gap down or something happen, then we do not know that how it will behave, but right now I think that SPX in will move in a range only. Okay guys, so in HGX also, in a housing finance, we can see that it is acting as a resistance. Okay guys, in downside also acting as a resistance. Once again I will tell you, this is acting as a supporting area right now. So what you have to see is that it is continuously taking a resistance. So if once again came first target, second and third target guys. Okay guys, in downside also we can discuss guys. In downside you can see that it is traveling in a narrow range. If once again take a resistance, our first target, second, and you can go further also. Okay guys, we can see next Tesla stock guys. In Tesla, very big momentum has been came. I have told you also that it will gives us very nice momentum from here only. I have told you. Okay guys, it gives us very nice momentum also here also. If it will break, then gives us up till here. I have discussed also. Hope you have traded and gives us very nice target. You can see here, this is the one of the major trend line what I have yesterday only seen, but I have not updated because I am sometime busy. So that's why you can see that exactly taken resistance, and how nicely exactly 4 to 5% or 9 to 10% momentum has been done. You can see that 10% momentum. This is if you have bought in future, so you can see that how much big is that. Okay guys, so let's talk in a 5 minutes time frame. Okay guys, so right now it is trading in a narrow range, and also this is the one of the major trend line. Okay guys, if it will break upside momentum, then gives us very nice and upside momentum. If it will once again came downside, okay guys, I will just show you. If once again take a resistance here, taken support, broke, then your first target, second, third target. Okay guys, if it will break this supporting area guys, okay guys, then you can see guys, it came downside guys, first target, second and third target. Okay guys, in we can see in Apple stock, Microsoft once again, in one daily time frame also I will show you. This is the how it has been behave right now. Okay guys, we can go for 5 minutes time frame, and right now what I am seeing is that it's opening flat only. You can see that pre-market. So if once again it will take resistance and broke this line, then your first target will be somewhere here, second target guys. Okay guys, I will show you once again. This will be your break point in downside. Okay guys, and this will be your upside momentum. If this trend line will be break, you can go for upside momentum up till here also, up till here guys. Okay, 310. Okay guys, we can see in Apple also. We can go in daily time frame and see the magic. You can see here, however this is taken here only support. I have told you it will use us very big momentum, and it has been given us big momentum. Right now it's coming down, so in future also you can go for short, because this is the one of the major trend line and taking resistance continuously right now. And what I am seeing is that if it will break, okay guys, then take a support somewhere here, our first target, second target and third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three targets. If it break downside guys, okay guys, take on a resistance, then your first target, second target and your third target. Hope you like this video guys. If you like my video, please go and subscribe my channel guys, and share with your friends and families guys. And also check out my Telegram channel. There also I update so many things, so you can check out that too guys. I will give link in the description guys. Go and check out guys. Thank you for today.